Hello, I am Arna, and today in this session I am going to explain about the domestic wiring. So let us consider the circuit diagram of the domestic wiring. This is the circuit diagram of domestic wiring, and this is usually used for the home purpose. It can be used for home or some offices or some other industrial applications. So the only thing is the number of load sections will go on increasing. So I considered here only for three different loads. Those three loads are tube light, fan and bulb. So initially the current will be coming from the pole, and it will be available in the form of two wires, and the two wires which are there are phase wire and neutral wire. Phase wire is shown with blue colored line and neutral wire is shown with the black colored line. So this will be given to a device which is called as MCB. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. If there is fluctuations in the current, then automatically this circuit will be break by the miniature circuit board. And then we can see that the phase wire is connected to the switches. Okay, so I have taken three loads here: tube light, fan and bulb. So it requires three switches. One switch to operate the tube light, another switch to operate the fan, and one more for operating the bulb. That bulb may be LED bulb or any other fluorescent or any other mercury bulb. So you can see here the phase line is connected to the switches directly. One line is connected here, and the other terminal of the switch is connected to one of the terminals of the loads, that is bulb, and this switch is connected to fan through a regulator. We can connect one regulator if required, so that the speed of the fan can be increased or decreased by rotating the regulator. And this regulator which is connected is always in series with the switch and fan, and if it is not required it can be skipped and directly the connection can be made. At that time we cannot control the speed of the fan. And then one more switch is used for connecting the tube light. So this line is connected to the tube light directly. The other ends of these loads, that is connected to the neutral point, that is nothing but by making use of another wire which is called as neutral. This is the neutral wire which is connected to other terminals. We know that all the appliances, these are nothing but the appliances, house appliances that we are using. The house appliances will be having two connections. So one can be given to the neutral wire and another one can be given to the switches. So in this way the domestic wiring can be made, and this neutral wire connection is taken from the pole which is usually supplying the electricity to our house, and this is also given to some ground protection and all. So we can see that there will be usually three wires coming. So two are the wires which are called as phase and neutral, and one more is used for grounding purpose, and that will not affect. It is grounded so that we are safe from the short circuits and all. So this is how the working of the domestic wiring is going on. And this is the switchboard usually that we consider, and we know that the switchboard contains many switches. Okay, so when we turn on the switch, then the tube light will glow. If we turn off, then the tube light will stop glowing. In that way the switch can be operated. So single pole switches are used here just to show how the connections can be made. And one more thing here is For appliances which are using more powers, usually 15 ampere uh, current source can be utilized, and if the appliances are using less power, then one can use up to 5 ampere of current. This is all about the domestic wiring. Watch once and share with your friends. Thank you.